station.
Wah! Oh!
Kaban!
Ayan! Hi mga kabang! Hello mga kabang!
Hi mga kabang!
Hi sa mga kabang station!
What's up mga kabang? Welcome back sa aking channel. Hello, kumusta? In today's video tayo ay beach. Ayan. Samahan nyo ako guys. We'll be buying taho. So we'll bring a lot of stuff. English. We have soft drinks over there and foods for life. For soul. Here comes the barge. Come. So we're here now sa barge. Here now sa barge. Look. Look, the beauty of Samal Island. Samal Island. Samal Island. Here now at Holiday Saman Island. Pagod. Dormitory and that's it, pansit. So ayun nga, in today's video tayo ay mag-English only challenge. Beach edition. Ayan. So before that, I just wanna thank Caroline for my lit eyeglasses. Ayan. Pulang-pula tayo ngayon. And CJ for this bag. This is from Thailand. Fresh from Thailand, guys. And my new belt bag from that Bilat. And my cap. Ayan. So we're going now to dorm number 3. Right. Alright, I'm already here. Bullshit. This challenge is requested by Girl Gamer because she is sending me a lot of super chat during my live. I am now going to the lobby, near the lobby, because the Wi-Fi there is very strong. Very strong. And I have 2 free waters here, given by the hands of God, given by the management of Camp Holiday. And I'm not yet hungry. And oh, before there is a couch there, now it's now wood. Oh, they are lying there. They're higda there. They make it their home. Here we go. Non-smoking area. I'll just stay here for a while and I'm gonna use the internet here. Ayun. Before Camp Holiday do have a very strong internet connection, but now there is no internet. Oh my god, it's still obtaining IP address. Welcome to the Philippines. So I'll go out now and have my phone loaded because I need internet in my life. No internet, no life. Ayan, there is a playground for the children over there. Yeah, it's the English. And the colorful dormitory, air-conditioned cottage. They call that air-conditioned cottage. That is 1/8 promo rate for today, for July, and the deluxe, good for 2, is 1/8 also. The dormitory type, our room is 2-1. So I'll be going there, going there. Tutorial. I'll be having a tour there for you guys, and let's see later. And we have the restaurant over here, and the pool for big people. I know the pool for adult will be there. I need to ask for pool passes before going there. So we have a problem right now. I lost my coin purse. This bag is too small. I put my coin purse here, and I think I dropped it somewhere when I bought a while ago. So rest in peace to my coin purse. Congratulations to the one who excuse me. Congratulations to the one who found my coin purse, and God bless you. So that's it now. We will continue our English only challenge. There is fog all over my camera because the room is very cold. Wait, I'm gonna wipe you out. I'm gonna wipe you up all. Wipe out you all, everyone. Wipe like that. Focus. Alright, we'll be doing a room tour. So this is our room, guys. So we had a what do you call that, dorm type. Oh my god, it's pagi. Just wait. Alright, let's do a room tour to our room. We are located at here DO3. Excuse me. This is our food for today and for tonight and for tomorrow, and everything nice. No one is here. Okay, so we have two double deck. We have 3 double decks. Alright, this is good for 6 guys. 3 double decks, the left and the right. 3 double decks, the left and the right, and the up and the down over there, and very full air condition, and it's a wonderful mirror, and they gave us 6 free bottle of water. Alright, so look, very messy here. Diba? This is cost 2,100 promo rate. I don't know, I forgot the original price, and that's it. Let's go out. So cold. I like the packaging of Dunkin' Donuts today because it's Spider-Man. We already watched Spider-Man. The first half is very boring, but the second half is very funny, very exciting, and very action. Alright, I almost tried all the donuts all over the world, and I like Dunkin' Donuts because the Dunkin' Donut is Pinoy made or Dunkin' Donuts. I don't know if this is Pinoy made, but this is too delicious. Not too sweet, and what's happening? There's something over there. Let's stop for a while. So as of the moment, I'm waiting for my kumare to arrive. Kumare, the ninong and ninangs of my children, so that I'll be having someone to talk to, because I look like crazy here. I'm talking to you guys. I'm talking to a camera, but I'm happy because I'm talking to you. So don't judge my English because you're not a judger. Okay, so we will do vlogging here, and let's talk about other vloggers. Those vloggers who do not know how to say thank you when they're being promoted by someone. You know, it's very cold here, and I need to go out. Very cold. It's already evening, everyone, so this is the kiddie pool for the kids. Yeah, because it's kiddie pool. So this should be for only for the kids. And I'm looking for my Yuna and my Gian. Where are they? Ay.
Paman mo pa.
Ayun, abasa.
Paman mo pa. Ano na?
Sugbas.
Mambag pa. Patanawa ko mambag. Patanawa ko mambag pa.
Nagbablog ako ngayon. I am doing English only challenge. So I just want to say hi to Mikay Duboma, Francis Edroso, yung things in Norway. Thank you. And all the people here in my life, the English. Yo, yo. Hello everyone. And I'm speaking in English. Wave kayo sa aking wave kayo guys. Wave to my live. Ayan. Hazel Mercado, hello. Hana G, shout out in Saudi. Ayan. Hello. Katapok mi ron mga Pinoy kay weekend. Wow. Yung things in Norway. That's good to hear. But I need to speak in English because I am now in English only mode. China Buzo, hello. Long time no see dong. So I will include you everyone here. Francis Edroso, hello. Ingrata de Ortiz, a superstar of Alongos. I need to speak in English, guys. And Hannah G, hi. Mikay Deboma, hello sa inyo. Oh my God. Wow, dami pera, sir. Yes. And to fly, and jump those guys. Ayan, 20 people here and 13 pieces. Say hi to my live. Ayan, hi everyone. Vlogging right now, so Girl Gamer is here. She is the one who requested me to do the English only challenge. So I will upload this challenge on Tuesday, I think, or Monday. So watch out, Girl Gamer. I'm doing your challenge right now. This is the look, this is the view during the night time here in Camp Holiday. Yeah, say hi and hello. Okay, I'm with my friends now and we'll be speaking in English.
Hey, good evening everyone. We're here at Camp Holiday Resort. So,
resort.
beach and resort. Yes.
We'll be meeting
we're celebrating his wife's birthday. Actually, it's too late, man.
It's very English. We'll be meeting Vice Ganda over there.
No, it's just Vice Ganda.
Vice Ganda look alike. If you know Vice Ganda, then good. If not, then bad. Bye! My friends are now having a show.
Ano to? Ang jammer natin ay jammer. Happy birthday to JD from Team Cebu! Happy birthday! Ang mga taga Cebu. So eto muna, magpapag-iinsum na tayo para masaya. Correct. Kukuha tayo mag-iimbita tayo ng 5 gwapong lalaki at bongga ang prize ito kasi ang mananalo nito ay magkakaroon, i-announce natin mamaya.
So we are buying Red Horse and flavored beer tonight. We'll be chilling later. Ayan, so English. We're trying to go near to Vice Ganda look alike now. He's actually my friend, so I'll ask him.
Hi mga kabang! Support natin si Tommy Kikoy at kasama ko siya ngayon, the Master of Vibes.
Thank you! This is actually an English challenge, but I spoke in Tagalog. Sorry. We'll make our room now and we'll be chilling around. Chilling around like a bitch. Anyways, we will try to order in English. Good luck. And so I'm supposed to order in English, but I can't. Let's try. If ever you're in my arms again. Thank you. Thank you. I only say thank you. Hi, good morning everyone. It's day 2 Sunday. Day 2 Sunday of speaking in dollars. So I went to the reception to get the breakfast and they are very noisy. I will go to the adult pool in a while, guys, because I will swim after we eat breakfast, because we only have 3 hours before we check out before we check out. Just like chess, check out, checkmate. Right. So after eating our breakfast, we are going to the pool, but not this kiddie pool, ha? The bigger pool over there for adult. And this is my outfit. Yan. I'm so bloated and I'm so fat. And here's Yuna. Hi Yuna. She just woke up and let's go together. There's a lot of people in the pool. Kahit dyan in the pool. It's a reception, guys. The never-ending couch. Ay, go. Alright. So I'm done now swimming at the beach. I'm going back to the hotel, to the room, and I change my clothes and we'll go home now. Alright, so I think I need to end this challenge. It's a little bit boring, but I need to end this one. Thank you for requesting this challenge, Girl Gamer, and I hope to make this more more funny in the next challenge, I think. Alright, thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye. Always love your family. Bye. So for bookings regarding with events and anything, occasion, you can contact Daniela Diva. I'll put the contact number or contact person in the description box. Okay? Bye!